Are you feeling stressed about A-level chemistry? Are you feeling lost in every chemistry class? Or are your grades just simply not where you want them to be? If any of these sound familiar, trust me, you're not alone. A-level chemistry is a beast from a totally different dimension. It's packed fully with complex concepts and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. You might even be trying to balance your other subjects and activities along the side, and there's never really enough time to feel like you can understand the subject clearly and fully. And let's be real, big classes doesn't always mean that you get the individual attention and support that you need. Well, I'm here to help. I'm a University of Cambridge graduate who studied chemistry and pharmacology, and I've been exactly where you are. I know how frustrating and stressful chemistry can be, and I aim to make my tutoring sessions all about you. I will break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces that aims to give you that eureka moment. Each session is customized to your needs and focus on what you find challenging. Just imagine walking into your next exam with confidence. No more cramming the night before or feeling anxious that you never really studied the right thing before the exam. With my lessons, you can understand chemistry on a deeper level and have your grades improve and maybe even start to like the subject better. I've helped many students achieve top results, and I can help you too. Picture yourself feeling proud of your progress and confident in your abilities. So are you ready to turn things around? Don't let chemistry hold you back any longer. Book a free call with me in the link below, and I can run through with you how my program is the best fit for you. If you have any test papers that you want to run through, please send them over as well, and let's run through them together.